How long takes Nepenthes to recover from a shipping? I did the test. I received some plants and I put them in the grow tent, super high humidity, and in the windowsill. So now we will compare how long it takes in the windowsill and in the grow tent to recover from shipping. Just for you to better understand the variables, the temperature difference and humidity difference between the windowsill and the grow tent, I want to show you some data. First, the windowsill. Most of the day during summer, it was like that, the last 3 months. But sometimes it was going very high, like very hot, because again, it's summer. So I was running the AC and the humidity was dropping. So a lot of variation during the day. But now, if you compare that to the grow tent, it's super stable and the humidity is way higher. So now let's compare how long they took to recover. So the unboxing was 4 months ago and we'll start by Votricosa by Effipiata. So it's pretty healthy. Let me show you the future open perfectly formed picture that will open. There is a next one following, but when I put it on the windowsill, the first leaf didn't pictured, and even the second one. So really, it skipped to picture and then start this one, the following one, and even this one that will also grow. So now it's adapted. So now let's see the same species on the grow tent. So here we have a new picture. We have another one just behind my hand. That's the oldest one. It's starting to die, but it pictured very soon, very early when it arrived, and that's the last one. Beautiful shape. All the leaves are producing a tendril. So here is a picture. We see some stripes, little. So now let's move to the next plant. Lowiae campanulata, very nice. I broke the tendril of this leaf. Too bad, too sad. But the first picture open, and the new leaf is producing a tendril. So I think it's fully adapted now. But on the grow tent, they are really healthy. There is two. This is the first picture. It's already bigger than the one on the windowsill. It's normal. It's way darker, and there is another one with lighter lips. The peristome is lighter. I will show you pictures after that. It's producing, every single leaf is producing a picture. Super cool little plant. And the ratio picture size and leaf is quite nice for now. So here is the darkest peristome, one of the two plants, and the other one with light peristome. Nepenthes gotica, I really wanted this one. It's finally picturing. It did the first picture, but what a picture. Very, very nice shape, size, nothing to be jealous from the grow tent. So it's really a windowsill plant. This first picture never happened. The next leaf is producing a super robust tendril, so I'm sure it will be great. In the grow tent now, oh no, it's up there. Here is the last one I have, because I sold the first one, and even this one is already sold. The leaves are more shiny and thin, but it did from the day one a tiny picture. It was a small one. And immediately after, I got this beauty. Let me grab it. Okay, okay, tendril, great. Here. Fantastic shape and size. Very, very nice. So Andy, that's the plant you received when you will watch this video. I really love this cross. That's an EP1, Gotica. So yes, and all obviously the tendrils, the leaf, are producing a tendril and will produce a picture. It's even faster and easier than in the windowsill, but that's a great plant. This one is a surprise, Vicii by Bocciana. I was expecting something really red. because of Bocciana. Yes, let me double check. Yes. And the picture is light color peristome with stripes. So maybe it will change over the time. And it's tiny, you see. It's not big. The new leaf will probably, after 4 months, produce an adult picture. This is the same cross, but look at the size inside the grow tent. Way bigger. Literally, the previous picture would easily fit inside this one. But almost no stripes, super light, and not red. So I don't know what to expect from this one. We will see in a few months what kind of pictures we have. But yeah, everything is super robust. The leaves are thick. That's pretty healthy. The following one is pretty frustrating to me. That's Truncata spectabilis, big leaf. But after 4 months, it's about to produce the first picture. The previous leaf didn't picture, and it's a slow-growing plant, and that's the picture it tried during the shipping. And on the grow tent, it's picturing, obviously. Big leaf, smaller, and a little bit darker, but look at that. I already sold one of these plants, the fastest one. So this is not even the fastest. The previous one had 3 pictures, where this one is about to do the second one. But it's already about to open, so that's great when you see that it's almost 2 months faster than the one on the windowsill. Really quick, if you're new here, I explain everything about growing Nepenthes on a windowsill or in a grow tent. So if you love pitcher plants, make sure you subscribe. Let's go back to the video now. This one, Glandulifera Bocciana, I would love to compare that, but the one on the grow tent is already gone, sold. So this one, beautiful, really red, what I was expecting from Bocciana. Pretty healthy, like on the windowsill it's doing great. One picture is about to open already. Quite nice size. And the leaf and tendril is great, so this one is great. But I cannot compare it with the one in the grow tent. Next, Maxima glandulifera. This one is strange. Let me show you the picture. Okay, you will have to move. Okay. So quite a nice, cute picture, tiny, but everything is, yeah, Max Glandy. Everything is healthy, pictures, but look in the grow tent. It's way bigger. And even the shape of the leaf, it's less round, so that's interesting. Next one is a complex hybrid, Glandulifera by Bocciana, by Campanulata and Veccii. Really cool little plant for now. I can't wait to see the pictures. The 3 last leaf didn't produce any tendril, but this new tendril is about to picture, and here is the same cross in the grow tent. So obviously pictures. Let me show you the new leaf will also picture, and so it's 2 pictures, and this one is the one that is the biggest. It's still tiny, but a very cool color and shape. So I can't wait to see that later, like in a year. But very nice dark peristome. Pretty happy with this one. So I hope on the windowsill it will work. So this tray is the biggest plant I put recently on the windowsill. So it's like 8 big plants, bigger, and this is a tiny one. This is Spectabilis. I just put it a month ago, so it's really new on the windowsill, but it's picturing normally, even if I changed drastically the humidity from the grow tent to the windowsill. And on the grow tent, same. It's picturing, everybody is happy. It struggled a little bit at the beginning. Maybe it was just out of tissue culture not a long time ago, so everything was deformed, the leaves, etc. but it finally adapted, and now every single leaf produces a picture, and even the color and the leaf is shiny, so everything is great now. And because I already successfully grow Spectabilis on my windowsill, I really wanted a second one because the shape, the color of the body will be different, and that's a good hybrid maker. Okay, the famous BBGA Edwardiana Malaysiana Tropicale, which is probably not an Edwardiana, but that's picturing actually. So it's about to start to picture, no picture open yet. And when you compare that to the grow tent, obviously there is already 2 pictures. Each plant has 2 pictures. The new leaves are way greener. That's working great. Super shiny little leaf here. They are not the fastest, so I will probably sell all those in spring. And we will see if it's working on the windowsill too. Another Veitchii, the Hose Mountain. I love Veitchii, so I already have a few on my windowsill. So we have 2 pictures, one here, and in the grow tent, the difference of speed is not obvious. So that won't be a really fancy Veitchii with stripes, but that's the most natural cross you can have, and because I have a few of them, I really want to try them all. And Veitchii, when it's young, it's not a show-off yet. So all these, I was able to compare them from the windowsill to the grow tent. So now let's see the one that stayed for 4 months in the grow tent. So we have Amata by Platykaila. This one, Amara I don't try on the windowsill, not working for me. Look at that, very nice, dark peristom. But it took 4 months to recover from the shipping, so that's the pickiest I have. So that's now a Sumatrana hybrid. I don't know exactly what it is. It's a surprise. It's more of a lowlander, so it really needs humidity really high. So that's why it's enjoying the grow tent. And fantastic stripes. I believe this one will be pretty easy to grow. So if you want to try lowland species, I would recommend this one. Another one, lowland, Bicalcarata. It's now adapted, and it took some time, but now it's picturing and the pictures are nicely formed. Everything is great now, but I had to scale down the light. It's more sensitive to light, and I will do a video about that. Lower, I have other species, but I don't want to enter into too much detail. There is Maxima, there is some Fusca, and there is some Dactylifera. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to shoot in the comments, and until next time, happy growing!